Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Today we try a little bit of animation, and I want to thank Flash Tracks Woodworking for showing me how to do this. I didn't do very good, but it was my first attempt. Anyway, we're going to do some, we're going to install a T-track roller for my vacuum system, and let's get started. The first thing I have to do is measure. The track's going to run right below this duct, and it's about, I'm going to run them, got to have safety first, safety glasses. I'm going to chop, I think 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, and I'm using a dust collection system on this chop saw. Cutting these pieces 21 3/8. So what I'm doing today is this room that I'm working in is a dedicated room that I had planned on for my CNC. And recently I ordered a CNC machine, and now I'm going to prep this room. I'm going to run the vacuum system in there, and then I'm going to have a track for the vacuum system to run on when the CNC goes back and forth. It's going to be a 4x8 CNC machine, and this should be really fun this winter when there's a lot of snow. And there's the track that I bought. Originally I bought a Rockler track, but for some reason they only sent one piece, and then they didn't send any of the hardware, and I just ended up finding this. And actually I think I like this better. It's a very sturdy 8-foot track, and I think it's going to work really well. So I put a piece of wood on both sides of this duct, and then I run screws into, I put some screws in there, and I make sure to bevel the holes so that the screw fits nice and flush so this wheel doesn't hit it. And here's the last piece right here. It was kind of nice that this particular room did not have a ceiling in it. It just never got finished off. And it's got, here's another animation that I attempted. Yeah, thank you guys for helping me with that. I'm going to keep practicing with it. So these two pieces I need to put together, and originally I tried to rivet them together, but then I ended up just bolting them together. And right here you can see how it works. It's going to just glide back and forth on that track. And I think I'll end up greasing up that track eventually, but right now that's how it is. Now right here you can see how I did my dust collection. I put a Y in there. I ran a PVC line through the wall. I have a, what do you call those things? The valve right there. And then I have another valve right there. So I open one up, close the other one, and it can run vacuum into that, into the CNC machine. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I will see you next time. Later.